Attention all InGen employees. This is an emergency alert broadcast for all who watch this. Due to a recent and undisclosed reboot of our systems, it is now required for the facility of Ile Saint-Hubert to be evacuated, effective immediately. Before you exit the building you are in, please follow these simple rules. Rule number 1, please leave the island in a calm, orderly fashion. This is to decrease the possibility of panic overtaking your fellow workers during this time. Rule number 2, please bear in mind the fact that each emergency ship can hold a total of 20 people at once. If there is no more room for you on the ship you approach, then you must move to the next available vessel. Rule number 3, and most important of all, if you hear one of your fellow workers yelling in the woods, it is nothing. Nothing at all. Please ignore it.
This is Simon Masrani, current head of InGen Genetics. I suppose I should tell you all the truth. The truth of the matter is, we are not fully in control. There are forces beyond our very own control. This is the Earth that God has created for us, a world that we, ourselves, have tampered with. We have taken it and tried to shape it to our control. But I promise you, my faithful workers, we will not give in. We will shape the future of John Hammond's dream. We will learn from our past setbacks and make a world that everyone has the right to enjoy. We will carry on as strong as ever. This is Simon Masrani, signing off.